Hello everyone, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys how we can use multiple PHP on Virtualmin. As we all know, Virtualmin is actually a free version of the cPanel. There were some rumors that says Virtualmin only supports one version of the PHP, but it's not true. We can actually install multiple versions of the PHP and use it according to our need. First, we need to add this repository on the source list, and then we have to enter this following command. Depending on which PHP version you want, you can enter the PHP version right here and then enter the following command exactly like this. And I have given like 3 versions with this command, and you can also customize the PHP version that you want. And with this command you can actually able to install PHP 8.0 and also PHP 7.3. And as I said it before, you can customize the versions to install particular version as well. Once the installation is done, we can able to change the PHP version as we want. Now, if you want to change into particular PHP version, what you need to do is go to the web configuration, and there you can see an option called PHP options, and from here you can change this PHP version as you want for a particular server. This will change the versions as you want. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.